Hello everyone, I'm Adrien Delhomme, the CTO of TradeFighters. Let's jump in the application. This is the most important page of the application to simplify the daily basis of our traders. The traders can quickly create a duel. In 1 second, he is able to see his duel in pending and active. And also, he can join any open duel there. When he tries to join an open duel, he is able to see all information and parameters relative to the duel. The next page, the community one, is there to put forward the best player of the platform, and we are also able to see all public duel in real time. We can also see a profile of any players and have many information like the wallet associated to the profile, his current rank, the total game, the win rate, and many other information. We are also able to see the duel history with many details for this player. Welcome behind the scene. To reach our goal, we develop 3 different applications. A Solana program using Anchor to manage the duel, the funds, and the commission. An SGS API, a backend service for the duel orchestration, the wallet analysis algorithm, and the data persistence. And a Next.js app, front-end interface for our player. This is a schema that represents how our duel system is working. First, a player can initialize the duel by making a transaction equal to the bet amount. After that, an opponent can also join by doing a transaction. Before it starts, both players are still able to cancel the duel and get fully refunded without any commission fees. When it ends, our wallet analyzer determines and sets the winner on chain. The winner can withdraw and receive 95% of the pot, and us receive 5% as a commission. All status transitions are only managed on-chain using our smart contract. Here is an output example generated by our wallet analyzer. The wallet analyzer is designed to handle multiple duels in the same time, even for the same player and the same wallet. After each duel, the algorithm scans both player wallets, tracking only their memcoin transaction according to the duel settings. The duel settings like minimum market cap, starting balance, and duel duration. It computes each player P&L in real time and determines the winner automatically. That's it, guys, and see you in the arena.